Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linet. In case you're new here, hi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the stubborn stains on your toilet. And as you can see the before and after pic. So first off, I'm going to start off by cleaning the toilet normally, just like you do. And I'm going to be using the Hurricane 100% toilet cleaner. So I'm going to pour this all over my toilet on the seat and let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. So the reason why we are starting with cleaning the toilet normally is to is to remove the germs and the bacteria that is in the toilet. You don't want to get an infection. So don't skip this step. Clean your toilet really well. So next up, I'm going to be using a piece of cloth to clean the seat and the cistern of the toilet, as opposed to a brush, because a brush does not really get the work done when it comes to cleaning the seat and the cistern of the toilet. So that is what I'm gonna do. The next up, I'm going to be using this equipment that I discovered, and oh my god, ask me how I discovered about this. I don't even know. I was just idle some days. So this is called a pumice stone. Most of you know it because you normally use it to scrub your legs, like to remove the dead cells of your legs. So this is called a pumice stone, and I want you to observe really closely what this pumice stone does. So I'm going to rub or rather scrub with it on the toilet, and I want you to check what happens. Can you see that, you guys? So I'm going to do that all through the entire toilet, and you're gonna see the end result, or rather you've already seen it. So you have seen it on the intro and on the thumbnail. So this is what you should use to clean or rather remove the stains on your toilet. So due to friction, make sure you have gloves. There's a lot of friction going on here when you scrub the pumice stone to the toilet, so use gloves. Use a pair of gloves so that you can avoid getting bunions as well as hurting your hands. So as you can see, everything is coming through, everything is happening. All these things are kind of just getting off the toilet. So in case you're enjoying the video and learning something from the video, be sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. So you can rinse the toilet so that you can see if there is something happening. Sorry for that, the focus kept on changing. So by the time I was through with cleaning the toilet, that's the size of pumice stone I ended up with. But when I started, this was the size. So you can see you really have to go a long way. Then you can redo the process. You can use some toilet cleaner again and a brush to get rid of the pumice stone on the toilet, and then flush the toilet lastly. And this is what you end up with after scrubbing your toilet. I literally didn't even take an hour to clean the toilet, and this is the before pic and this is the after. Tell me that does not work out for you. So without much further ado, let me see you on my next video. Till next time, bye.